Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Guys, cancel I'm reality shows. Guys, I'm so shocked that. So, uMakhwela amfata musamseli was 5 was pregnant. We all know what she was pregnant. So now, so nimdwana. Guys, sho ukuthi lama episode bashutha la kashuthwe kudzala cause so postile phela uGelinya lo mntwana lapha ku Instagram story yakhe umntwana yakhe nalesikhani uthando nesithembu liphela itolo basikhombisile la musamseleku eqinini abambe umntwana khona awoliswane lomncane umntwana Makhwela. So uthando nesithembu seyiphelile, people are waiting for lenye season leyo yokuqala next year probably if itoqala. Sad because seems ngazuthi into setishube kakhulu, so labanye nje abasanalo lithemba lokuthi uthando nesithembu lisatobuya ngokubuka indlela musamseleku asekaqinisetelwa ngayo ehlala khala nani nakula kubo. So some people assume ukuthi they assume ukuthi mhlambe angeke isaqhubeka uthando nesithembu mhlambe besigcina nje kubona, but guys uMakhwela unemntwana. uMakhwela guys so nemntwana, hence why eqineni akusho ukuthi umusamseleku athe kuMakhumalo lento la yenta akusiyo lento la bitelo ukuthi atoyenda laphana kwamseleku, rubbing off efaceni yakhe ukuthi akabatholi bantwana abantu abaningi abazange bakuthande lokho kubavisa ebuhlungu. And as uMakhumalo ezemfatho westring kahlale kazange vabuhlungu uma kuyofika abantu eqineni emva kwakhe sebaba nebantwana yena soloku angakhona ukuthola mbana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.